Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
Same here. May I know your name?
Yes, I am Ruby.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by walking.
When does your school start?
My school starts at 9 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruits and eggs for breakfast.
Where does your mother work?
My mother works at the hospital.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where do you want to go on vacation?
I want to go to Goa.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Why do you wear glasses?
I wear glasses because I have trouble seeing.
Which sport do you play?
I play football and cricket.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Where do you like to go after school?
I like to go home after school.
When do you have free time?
I have free time on Sundays.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom helps me with my homework.
How do you travel to work?
I travel to work by car.
Why do you like pizza?
I like pizza because it tastes good.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I play football and cricket.
Where do you keep your keys?
I keep my keys on the table.
When do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth around 7:30 a.m.
Who cooks dinner in your house?
My mom cooks dinner in our house.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because it's warm.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a sweater in winter.
Where do you go for holidays?
I go to my grandma's house for holidays.
When do you usually do your homework?
I usually do my homework at 5 p.m.
Why do you like your favorite food?
I like my favorite food because it's tasty.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new laptop for my birthday.
Where do you go after school?
I go home after school.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Smith.
Which animal do you like the most?
I like cats the most.
What do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to go to the library tomorrow.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the nearby store.
When do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 9 p.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Why do you study math?
I study math to learn problem solving.
What do you do after school?
After school, I go to the library.
Where does your family go on vacation?
My family goes to Goa on vacation.
Who helps you with your homework?
My sister helps me with my homework.
How do you clean your room?
I clean my room with the help of my dad.
Why do you like weekends?
I like weekends because I can relax.
Which sport do you watch on TV?
I watch cricket and football on TV.
Where do you meet your friends?
I meet my friends at the park.
When do you do your laundry?
I do my laundry on Sundays.
Why do you wear a uniform?
I wear a uniform because it's required.
Which subject do you find easy?
I find science easy.
What do you want to do on the weekend?
I want to play on the weekend.
When do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30 p.m.
Why do you take a bus to school?
I take a bus to school because it's convenient.
Where do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk in the park.
Why do you wear a coat in winter?
I wear a coat in winter to stay warm.
Which language do you want to learn?
I want to learn English.
What do you want to buy at the store?
I want to buy chips at the store.
When do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym every day.
Where do you put your shoes?
I put my shoes in the shoe rack.
When do you visit your grandparents?
I visited my grandparents last weekend.
Why do you drink water?
I drink water to stay hydrated.
Where do you go for a picnic?
I go for a picnic at the beach.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, Please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.